JVN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, FEM Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Program name BSc B.Ed PCM 6M. Course name Pedagogy of Mathematics, and session of today is Induction Method. Numerical problem on mathematical induction method. So problem is given here. This is the problem of mathematical induction method, and procedure is as follows, that suppose we have any problem of mathematical induction method given in such a manner. Prove that 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot n is equal to n plus 1 upon 2. This is the sum of all natural numbers. So, in order to prove this question by mathematical induction method, we have proved this equation by n is equal to 1. If n is equal to 1, this equation is true for n is equal to 1, and this equation is true for n is equal to any value k, then it will be true for n is equal to k plus 1. So putting n is equal to 1 in this equation, on left hand side is equal to 1, and putting the value n is equal to 1 in right hand side, so it is also 1. So this equation is balanced for the n is equal to 1. Now for the procedure of this solving this equation, let we know it is true for n is equal to k. Suppose for another value, this statement is true for another value n is equal to k. After putting this value true for, assume it is true for n is equal to k. So putting n is equal to k in left hand side, we get equation in left hand side is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot k, and putting into the right hand side, it will be k plus 1 upon 2. So this is assumption. We have to assume this statement is true for n is equal to k. Then it will be true for n is equal to k plus 1. We have to prove this statement is true for n is equal to k plus 1 if it is true for n is equal to k. We have to assume here, यहाँ पर हमने ये एज्यूम किया है कि अगर ये स्टेटमेंट n इज इक्वल टू k के लिए ट्रू है, तो ये n इज इक्वल टू k प्लस 1 के लिए भी ट्रू होगा. तो हम n इज इक्वल टू k प्लस 1 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में पुट करेंगे, 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 3 प्लस डॉट k, and one more term k plus 1 will be putting here. So equation become 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k, dot k plus k plus 1, or and putting the value k plus 1 into the right hand side, we get k plus 1 plus 1 by 2, and solving this equation in the left hand side, the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k is equal to k plus 1 by 2. So putting the value of sum from 1 to k is k into k plus 1 by 2. So at the place of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot k, we have to put k plus 1 by 2. Another term, next term will be k plus 1. So we can write this term k plus 1 by k plus 1. And for make up, this will be multiply k plus 2 upon 2. Here every term has 2 as a denominator, so in order to make up one term, we have to multiply it by 2 in the numerator and divide it by 2, so it become 2k plus 1 by 2. And here LCM is 2, so we can easily add this equation, or after adding this equation become, when we take 2 as a LCM, so its term will be k plus 1 or 2k plus 1. Everyone has 2 as a denominator, so we can cancel the denominator and it become k plus 1 plus 2k plus 1. Or on the right hand side, k plus 1 or k plus 2. After multiplying it, k square plus k plus 2k plus 2 and k square plus k plus 2k plus 2 plus 2k plus 2, or in the right hand side it become k square plus 2k plus k square plus 2k plus k 1 into k, that will k, or that 2. After adding, we get the same consequence, k square plus 3k plus 2, or on the right hand side it will also k square plus 3k plus 2. Hence this equation is balanced. So if this is the statement P1 is true, it means it is true for n plus n is equal to 1. And we assume if it true n is equal to k, then it will be true for n is equal to k plus 1. So for n is equal to k plus 1, this statement is true. Hence this statement is true for all value of n. It means this